Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Dual Boot Patcher to install multiple ROMs on your device. So what you're going to do is you're going to have the app on your home screen. You're going to want to go into it. It'll bring you to a screen like this. Press the three little dots up in the corner. Go to ROMs and it'll ask you to set your primary kernel. If it doesn't set it automatically, you can just press set now. Normally there will be a pop-up. If it doesn't, you can go into here and press set kernel, and that will be set as your primary. To patch a zip file to be dual booted, you want to press the three little dots, go to patch zip file, press plus, do add flashable zip, and then you're going to want to go to the folder where it's stored. So I'm just going to go to Galaxy S7, go down, go to Lineage OS, and you'll find the two files here. So open up the ROM. I'm using AOSP extended. Here you want to select your device, it will just set it automatically, and then in partition configuration you want to set it as secondary and press continue, press save. And now if you're using a ROM without GApps, then that's all you need to do, but if you're using a GApps ROM, you need to add your GApps. So hold on it, then press open, set it as secondary, and press continue, and save. And just make sure up in the top there it says dual, and then you want to press the tick and it'll start patching them. It should only take like a minute or two. Okay, so now they're done. It says succeeded under both of them. So you want to go home, close out of that, just check, go into my files, and just check that they are there. So as you can see, it says AOSP extended official underscore dual, full dynamic GApps underscore dual, and then it has the normal ones there. So you're going to boot into your recovery. I'm using Twerp. Okay, so go to install then. Go to your ROM directory where you have it stored. So I have mine in Lineage OS in the main internal storage. You do not need to wipe anything or anything like that, so you can just leave it as it is. Go into AOSP extended, make sure you got the dual one. So there's the dual one, it says underscore dual, and then add more zips. Make sure again you choose the dual one, make sure you have the dual ones, and then swipe to flash, and you just want to wait for it to flash. It might take up to 5 minutes. So as you can see, mine's done now. All of my ROM and GApps have been installed, and if it works successfully, you should see multi-boot there, and in the little brackets, just to show that it was using the multi-boot script. And you just want to click reboot system. Again, you don't need to wipe anything or anything like that. You should just reboot, and it will reboot into the ROM you've just installed. My ROM's booted up now, So as you can see, it's working properly. If I go into the settings, you can see I'm on Android 7.1.1, and here is the official Android AOSP extended ROM. So now if I go home, I can exit that, go to Files, and I can go into Files, go into my SD card, find the dual boot patcher, install it, press done, go home, and just dual boot patcher, put it there. So if I open this up now, go to ROMs, just allow. As you can see, there's my secondary ROM, Android 7.1.1, and primary ROM, Android 7.0. And if I ever want to switch back and forth between ROMs, I just go into this app, click on primary, and it'll say successfully switched ROM at the bottom. Press on the three little dashes, reboot your phone, and as you can see, all my files are still here. My RAM is the exact same as it was. If I go into the dual boot patcher app, go to ROMs, as you can see at the top, I have my secondary ROM there. I can go into it and rename it whatever I want. So if I want to rename it AOSP, I can rename that AOSP. And as you can see, it's now called AOSP, and then I have my primary ROM. So it's that simple. And if you ever want to delete the ROM, press the three little dots, go to the bottom, press wipe ROM, choose system cache, data, Dalvik cache, multi-boot files, and just press OK, and that'll completely wipe the ROM off of your thing. And if you want to check the storage left in your system partition, you go here, go to free space, and as you can see, I have basically all my system partition filled up now, because I've installed 2 ROMs on this phone. So that's the only downside. But apart from that, everything works fine. You can reboot, switch ROMs, and you can make shortcuts to the ROMs on your home screen as well. If you have any trouble or anything, just comment below and I'll answer. But thanks for watching. Goodbye.